Hello everyone. In this session, we will try to understand do while. In the previous session, we had looked at while loop. Okay, so do while. So here, while is common. Do while. So it means in while, it checks the first condition, and if condition is true, then only it will execute the body of the while loop. Whereas a do while, it first execute the block of code, and then it will checks the condition and it will repeat. Uh, okay. So let's directly go to the code editor and just create one more class for do while. Okay, okay. So we will take same examples. Okay, maybe it may not be the best example, but uh, yeah. Let's take this. This is to print 1 to 10 maybe. Will not, will simply, okay. Okay, let's run this first. Just to see, like, this is simple while. Okay, it is printing 1 to 10. Now we want to write this in a different way. First, so the syntax for do while is, yeah, here condition comes. Okay, so this is the syntax of our do while. Let's simply put the same logic here and see how it works. Okay, let's see what will happen. So it is giving the same result. There is no difference. Okay, yeah, and this is another representation where we can do, but here we want to do first it will print the value and then it will check for the condition. Okay, yeah. Suppose if you say I less than or equal to, okay, I less than 10, for example. So it is printing till 9. You you say I less than 1, it will print 1. If you say I less than 0, even then it prints 1. Though condition failed, at least one time it is printing the value. Yeah, maybe in the future sessions I will take one, like we will try to incorporate this do while, but for now you can just assume like, yeah, um, do while at least once the logic will execute and then it will check for the condition. So that's what do while means. Maybe there are situations where at least this logic should execute and then you can decide whether to, yeah, go forward or not, like based on the logic inside this. So yeah, okay. So that is how it is, and yeah, so that is all about do while, and yeah, in my experience, do while is very rare we use in real time, like in production, like in projects. So just to have some idea.